Hi, everyone. My name is Jeffrey Jones. I'll be your spokesman. I am from theboxman.com, where we have changed the way that you should watch TV. Our website is www.theboxxmen.com. We are theboxman.com. And in this video, I just have a question. Have you seen the recent update for the Formuler Z11 Pro Max? It's going to blow your mind. Let's take a look together. As we go into this video, I want to thank you guys for tuning in, whether you're on our YouTube channel, the Stream Machines, or on our Rumble channel, same thing, the Stream Machines. We are the Stream Machines, where we take the difficult things of streaming and help you, or attempt to help you, one video at a time. Now, the Formuler Z11 Pro Max promotes this application right here called MyTV Online 3. There are three devices that have MyTV Online 3. This one is the Formuler Z11 Pro Max. There's the Formuler Z11 Pro and the Formuler Z Mini. All right. Just recently, about 4 days ago, there was an update to this device. As I go into the notifications, it's gone. I'll go into settings. I'll go to software update. I've already done it on this device, and I'm going to show you how powerful it is, and they just finalized it for game day. Now, if you can see right here, I have the new modern launcher. I'm going to go down, and this is the recent one. They added the basketball and ice hockey to game day, additional leagues added to selected sports in game day, the events feature an improvement in game day. This is a big thing on these three devices. As you know, or if you didn't, there aren't any other devices that will allow you to look at your favorite sports that are already in your device and categorize them from stats to where they're going to be played and all that, other than the Formula with the MyTV Online 3. So without any further ado, let's go into MyTV Online 3. Press OK. It is going to go ahead and open up for me and you. And as it does that, I'm going to blur out some things because it's going to go right to a channel, but I'm going to hit the menu button right away to get right into game day. As you can see, it refreshed my contents. I'm going to hit the menu button. Here's the game day right here. And I'm going to hit that really quick, and it's going to open up. Now, the different leagues, the popular leagues are down here. As you can see, they added NHL, NBA, NFL, and other leagues. As I go, let's say you went to baseball, which ended, you have MLB baseball. Let's say you go to American football, you have this, and you have NCAA. All right? So if you chose NFL, again, you can check it by leagues and whatnot, standings, stats. You can even go to the YouTube channel for the NFL. That's awesome. Let's say your team is the New England Patriots, because that's my team. All right? Don't hate. Here are the New England Patriots. I'll press OK. Yes, we're struggling a little bit, but that's okay. What it's going to show you is the previous matches. There was Sunday here, Sunday there, Sunday there. The upcoming one is Sunday, November 17th. The Rams against the Patriots. That should be a pretty good game. Also, I can go to the YouTube right here. It should open up. Unless it's asking me to sign in, I can go ahead and subscribe to my favorite football channel just from game day. Let's say I want to go back. It's going to close out this, and I'm going to be right back in the application. There is no other, none box that's doing this. So let's say I open up this game. All right, we just seen this game here, but I'm going to go down to this one. I'm going to press the OK button. As it opens up, it's going to give you the stats. Patriots has 3 wins. The Rams have 1. They last played December 10th, 2020, 24-3. The Rams beat them down. Then in the Super Bowl, they played in the Super Bowl 2019, and the Patriots won that 13-3. And then the last time they played was December 4th, 2016, and the Patriots won 26-10. Now, on the right-hand side that's blurred out, those are the channels that have this game on Sunday, November 17th on your box. When you decide to buy one of these devices, because of game day, now you don't have to search for things. Everything is there from stats all the way down. And that's just not them. So let's go back here. Let's say we have ice hockey. Ice hockey's here. We got the Championship Hockey League, and then we got NHL. If we have NHL, we can go to the standings. Let's see some of the standings here in the hockey right now. This is already in my TV Online 3. This is telling you that the Florida Panthers are leading the Atlantic, the Central, Winnipeg Jets, Metropolitan, New Jersey Devils, and the Pacific, they're winning there. Los Angeles Kings, yo, yo. So those are some of the things that you have available to you that I think in this app or this upgrade to the app, it is 110% amazing. And if you get one of these 3 devices, you would have it on there and you can begin to use the functionality of it. That was the update to game day. As I close out the video, I want to thank each and every one of you for tuning in. If you have one of these devices that have My TV Online 3 and you haven't done the update, I want to implore you to go ahead and do it. It is the official update and not beta, so you can't roll it back, but it has been fixed with bugs and it's ready to roll. Hey, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. We are from theboxman.com. We have been asked by so many different people coming to the website, do we have devices? Do we have devices that work? Do we offer support? We do it all. We do it all, especially with the devices. If you need a top tier device for your streaming needs, we have it. If you need a bottom base with value, lower price, we have it. We have exceptional payment plans. We have been working with people for over 12 years, and we'll do our best to work with you if you just give us a chance to diagnose and just consult with you on how you watch TV. As I close out the video, thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you in the next video, and God bless all.